My name is Neil Mani. I am a second year student of the Department of Electrical Engineering, enrolled in its BTech course. I am a boarder of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya Hall of Residence. I am from Jamshedpur. I am contesting for the post of General Secretary Technology, Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, for the academic session 2022-2023.
So one question and one follow-up for everyone on the introduction.
Hey Nilmani, you tell that you are from Jamshedpur. So tell me 5 famous things about Jamshedpur.
So, this question is irrelevant to my candidature, but if you insist to know, they are as follows. India's first iron and steel plant, Tata Steel, was established in Jamshedpur. Jamshedpur is known for the best sewage management system in India. Jamshedpur was ranked the 7th cleanest and greenest city in the year 2010. Famous Indian producer Mr. Imtiaz Ali is from Jamshedpur. And the worldwide famous actress Miss Priyanka Chopra was born in Jamshedpur.
Hey Neelmani. Hello Neelmani. The SOP was supposed to start at 6 p.m. You came 10 minutes late. So do you not understand the importance of time, or do you think we are wasting our time here?
So, I came to this point at the basketball court of the Pan Loop at 5:50 p.m. and not later by 6 p.m. The reason that the statement of purpose started late is dependent on the administration, and I have no role in it.
I have a follow-up. I came here at 6 p.m. and I didn't see you inside. So do you think I'm lying?
So, I have already stated that I came to this place at 5:50 p.m.
So, are you suggesting that we panelists are lying? We saw you coming late, that's why we told you the same.
So, I am not here to comment on the panelists, but to show that I am telling the truth, that I came at 5:50 p.m.
Neelmani, I saw that while delivering your introduction, you laid extra emphasis on the name of your hall of residence. Why is that?
So, I am a boarder of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya Hall of Residence. My hall of residence has played an important role in shaping me into the person I am today. So, it came naturally out of me.
Panelists, anyone having any other questions on the introduction of the candidate?
Hi Neelmani, you mentioned that you are from Triple M Hall, right? Can you name me the current and the last 5 years of the hall presidents and the SSM?
So this question is irrelevant to my candidature, and I am not a database to store their names. Therefore, if you want to know, I can tell you after the statement of purpose.
Nilmani, you just told that. Nilmani, you just told that Triple M had made immense amount of contribution in our development. Still, you don't remember the ex-5 hall presidents and assistants of Triple M.
So, I'm a second year student of the Department of Electrical Engineering enrolled in its BTech course. I have been the part of this institute for the last 2 years, so I remember the names of the last 2 hall presidents of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya Hall of Residence.
Neelmani, you mentioned that it's irrelevant to your candidature, right? Can you explain me briefly how it's
Like
irrelevant?
one question per panelist. So like your
It's just
previous
one
question.
follow-up question that I'm asking, right?
Okay, like if it is follow-up, like
I'm
then
asking
you
one
can ask.
follow-up question. Let me ask that. You mentioned it's not irrelevant. It's irrelevant to your candidature, and you also said that hall is an important and integral part of your life at KGP, right? Tell me how it's irrelevant.
So, memorizing the names of the hall president who were not part of my life is irrelevant, because I believe that I have just naming them will not play an important role over here.
Neelmani, you did not mention undergraduate student in your introduction. Do you think the previous vice presidents and general secretaries who have mentioned that in their introduction were wrong in stating that?
So, this is my introduction. Therefore, I mentioned I'm a second year student of the Department of Electrical Engineering enrolled in its BTech course. As I mentioned that I am enrolled in its BTech course, it is implied that I am an undergraduate student.
So, Neelmani, mine is a little different question. Why do you not have a surname?
So, my full name is Neelmani. It was given by my parents, and the reason why my parent decided to not put the surname in my name is that we live in a country which is a sovereign country. Therefore, as an Indian, I believe that surname. My parent decided that surname should not be there.
Panelists, any other questions on the introduction of the candidate? I think we are out of time. We can move to the statement of purpose of the candidate. Yeah. Neelmani, you can move ahead with your statement of purpose.
A General Secretary Technology should be a dynamic leader and a supportive team player who plays a vital role in boosting the culture of the institute by bringing processes and tools together, providing information exchange that promotes development for the betterment of the society. My candidature for the post of General Secretary Technology Student Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, is based on my active involvements in various co-curricular activities and my active role as a core organizing team member, Kshitij 2022, the Techno Management Fest of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. Holding various positions of responsibility has given me experience and enabled me to instill the qualities which are required to serve a community. In my tenure as the president of Maths Club Loyola School Jamshedpur for the academic session 2019-2020, I led a team which successfully conducted 3 events, namely Maths Olympiad, Puzzle Mania, and Treasure Hunt. In total, 17 schools from my city participated with a total increase in participation percentage by 200%. My tenure as a core organizing team member of Kshitij enabled me to give substantial contribution under the 3 main facets of the fest, namely publicity, sponsorship, and event management. Under the publicity front, I extensively publicized the fest in the region of Odisha. I took the initiative of contacting student representative bodies in order to promote the events and bring participation. I, along with 2 other core organizing team members, conducted Cascade, the nationwide prelims of Kshitij in the regions of Odisha, Bihar, and Jharkhand. This saw a huge participation of more than 1,000 students. I, along with 1 other core organizing team member, led a team of 31 campus ambassadors who proved beneficial for promoting the events and bringing participation for Kshitij 2022. I, on the sponsorship front, in a team, successfully raised a total amount of INR 2.5 lakhs from the region of Bangalore. I, along with 2 other core organizing team members, successfully secured 7 associations for the flagship event of Kshitij, Be Plan. I was also responsible for bringing magazine and newspaper partner for Kshitij 2022. On event management front, I, along with 2 other core organizing team members, successfully managed the event of B-Plan, the flagship event of Kshitij. It saw an increase in participation by 50%. In addition to this, I was also the part of the content writing team of Kshitij 2022, which involved writing various articles which were published in magazine, newspapers, and other media pages. Some of them were also published in the official page of Kshitij and the official website of Kshitij 2022. In addition to this, I also took the initiative to successfully organize the intra-hall BizTech quiz of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya Hall of Residence. Apart from my technical and managerial fronts, I was also the part of the inter-hall bronze-winning football team of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya Hall of Residence.
A gentle
Give
note
it-
to the audience, like let Neelmani complete his statement of purpose as well, since he is having 10 minutes of time for statement of purpose and questions. Yeah, like Neelmani, go ahead.
Given my experience in managing various technical and managerial events, which instilled in me the qualities of leadership, dedication, and teamwork, I am confident to say that I am a suitable candidate for the post of General Secretary Technology, Technology Student Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. The institute and its student community has played an immense role in shaping me into the person I am today. It would be a huge honor if I will be able to return this favor. If elected to the post of General Secretary Technology, I will do all the work to the best of my abilities in order for the betterment of the entire student fraternity of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur.
Panelist questions.
Neelmani, in the SOP you have mentioned that you are confident and suitable candidate for this post. Do you seriously want to contest for this post? Because I believe in the first SOP you clearly confessed that you do not want to contest for this post in the front of all the seniors of Kshitij.
Sir, I am not aware of any such incident. Therefore, I say that I am a confident and suitable candidate for the post of General Secretary Technology, Technology Student Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur.
Neelmani, do you really think that all the panelists are here are lying? Because we are the seniors of Kshitij, if you know. We were present there and heard you saying that you didn't wanted to contest for the post of General Secretary Technology. Then how are you not aware? Are you lying in front of all the panelists here?
Sir, I stated that I am not aware of any such incident.
So you are telling that all the panelists are here lying?
Sir, I didn't state that the panelists here are lying. I stated that I am not aware of any such incident.
So for all the panelists also, one question and one follow-up you are having. So
By the way,
make
this
sure.
clearly shows that you don't have any guts to take responsibility because you lied in front of all the panelists.
Question and the follow-up completed. This person.
Neelmani, from your SOP, I understand that Kshitij has played an important part in your life, right? So is it fair to assume that, you would be knowing a brief history of Kshitij and what it stands for? So there used to be a technical fest before Kshitij. Do you have any idea about it? What was its name? Why was it closed? When was it closed?
Sir, Kshitij started in the year 2004 and I have been the part of Kshitij 2022. Therefore, I am aware about Kshitij.
Any follow-up on this question? No follow-ups. Okay. Next question.
So, you mentioned your school achievements. You were talking about some math club or something, right? Do you really think that that school thing is still relevant 2 or 3 years down the line in IIT Kharagpur? What you did managing a math club or a math society? Did you even participate? How does that contribute to you standing here in front of us and contesting for this post?
Sir, being the president of Maths Club Loyola School Jamshedpur, instilled in me the quality of leadership and team management, which are very essential for being a General Secretary Technology Student Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. Therefore, I mentioned it in my statement of purpose.
Any follow-up on this
Yeah, yeah.
question?
Yeah.
Okay, only one follow-up.
Yeah. You said that it instilled a sense of leadership, right? How have you demonstrated that sense of leadership in Kharagpur? Any instance?
Neelmani.
So, the quality of leadership has definitely been a part of my life. In Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, I took the initiative of conducting the intra-hall BizTech quiz of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya Hall of Residence.
Neelmani,
The question and the follow-up is done. A question from you and then next you can ask.
Neelmani, what is K-Speak and why does Kshitij outsource the work of writing K-Speak to TLS in spite of having its own in-house content writing team?
K-Speak is the official brochure written by the Technology Literary Society. It contains all the events, workshops, exhibitions of Kshitij. The reason why Kshitij outsourced it from Technology Literary Society, because the sole purpose of K-Speak is to have the third party view of Kshitij as a participant and not an organizer.
What incentive does Kshitij offer TLS for writing K-Speak?
Let Neelmani answer.
Ma'am, Kshitij, the Techno Management Fest of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, and the Technology Literary Society are both part of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. Together, they work for the betterment of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur.
Hello, am I audible? Hello, Neelmani. I have one question for you. As you have mentioned in your statement of purpose that you have conducted one intra-hall quiz some time of event of that. So what is the motive behind that particular event?
So, the sole motive for conducting the intra-hall BizTech quiz of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya Hall of Residence was to increase the interaction between the postgraduates and the undergraduate students of the Hall of Residence. In addition to this, as the second year undergraduate students had nearly come to the campus in that month of January only, therefore, by participating in this event, gave them the quality of collective identity.
So I have one follow-up question.
Panelists, we are also running out of time.
So one follow-up
if
question.
this is the case, we may not get enough time to discuss on the proposals.
So one
to
follow-up
keep it
question.
short.
Okay.
One follow-up.
So also you have mentioned that PG students were also involved in intra-hall quiz. So can you give me some statistics that what was the total number of participants in that and how it is, the ratio was between UG and PG students?
Sir, can you please repeat the last part of your question? Sir, a total number of more than 300 students participated in this event. And approximately 25% of them were postgraduate students.
Hello, Neelmani. Who conducts the Indian Case Challenge?
Sir, the Indian Case Challenge is conducted by Business Club IIT Kharagpur in association with Kshitij.
Did you have any role in the last year's Indian Case Challenge? It's conducted in association with Kshitij, right? Did you have any role in the last year's Indian Case Challenge?
Yes, sir, we have a role in association of the Indian Case Challenge as it is there in the official website of Kshitij.
No, Neelmani, that's wrong. Last year, Business Club arranged their own sponsors. He's lying, man. Last year, Business Club arranged their own sponsors. Kshitij didn't have any role there. How many times are you gonna lie in your SOP?
Next question, next panelist.
Sir, please refrain yourself from making any such comment on my identity.
I'll ask one question here. Neelmani, since you had organized the B Plan event, can you name 7 associations of the B Plan event?
Sir, the list of 7 associations that I, along with 2 other co-organizing team members, brought for B Plan are as follows: Cedars, Succeed Ventures, Startup Ratio, Emergent Ventures, I Create, Jupiter Capital, and Kolkata Ventures.
Neelmani.
It's only one question per panelist. One question because we.
Neelmani, so
Like,
you
it's
mentioned
only
you
one
were.
question because we do have the time constraint.
One follow-up question I'm asking. It will only take 2 minutes. Neelmani, you mentioned that you were the part of the content writing team.
One question per panelist.
You were the part of the content writing team, and in the past 2 years of online semester, I don't see enough posts. What is the reason that the world is going online and you're not even posting a single photo?
Neelmani.
The frequency of posts has gone down so much. What is this?
Neelmani, you mentioned that you are a part of the bronze-winning football team of Mandit Madan Mol.
Why are you ignoring my question here?
I want to make sure
I am talking
that you
to
were
you.
thoroughly involved.
Can't
Can
you
you tell
hear
me which matches you played and what were the scores in those matches?
Don't you see I'm
Please
asking
tell
you a
me the
question here?
scores.
Why is the frequency of posts down? Give me one straight answer.
Neelmani, please tell me the
Give me
scores
one
of the
straight
matches which
answer.
you played.
Sir, I believe.
Neelmani, please tell me the scores of the matches you played.
Compliment on the
Speak
content
louder.
writing team of
I can speak
Kshitij.
louder than you. Speak
Sir,
louder.
Please let me complete my statement.
I'm listening.
Sir, I request you from refraining from making any such allegations on the content writing team of Kshitij.
We are a part of Kshitij. We know what is happening.
Hello, audience, please keep quiet. And this is answering. So if you shout, then how? Listen, please keep quiet. The election program.
आप मेरे को अबे इस साइड से बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है. Please give us a chance. हम
Please maintain the election decorum. While candidates is answering, listen. Thank you.
Neelmani, you mentioned that you were a part of the bronze winning team in football for your Hall of Residence. I want to make sure that you were thoroughly involved or not. Can you tell me which are the matches that Triple M Hall played and what were the scores in those matches?
Sir, in the league match, we first faced Azad Hall of Residence, in which we won by 3-0. In the second league match, we faced Radha Krishnan Hall of Residence. The match went draw with 0-0. Sir, in the third league match, we played against Vidyasagar Hall of Residence, in which we won by 2-0. Sir, then we reached the quarter-finals, in which we faced Patel Hall of Residence, and we won this quarter-final by 2-0. Then we reached the semi-finals, but unfortunately, we lost to Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence by 2-0. In the match of third place, we faced Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose Hall of Residence, in which we won by 4-0 and attained the bronze medal.
One follow-up on that. One follow-up. Neelmani,
Hello.
since you've mentioned the
Hi,
name,
Neelmani.
one follow-up on that. Neelmani, you've mentioned the names of these matches. If you're thoroughly involved in the team, you must know the name of the captain of the team. Can you please tell me the name of the captain of your team?
Sir, the name of the captain of football team of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya Hall of Residence is Mr. Pranav Gore from the Department of Mechanical Engineering.
Only one question per panelist because we need to discuss this proposal.
Okay, Neelmani, I have a question. Neelmani, yeah, I have a question. So basically, for the last year in which you were the CTM, so what I found was that the posts of festivals, etc., which were very frequently coming like previously, so they were not as frequently during your tenure as CTM, and like the content team also, like the post, they repeated the post. So do you have any specific reasons for that, or do you think you were inefficient for that?
Ma'am, I request you to please repeat the question.
Okay, so basically the content of the posts were repeated and the posters, etc. were not as frequent as is used to be. So what are the reasons for that? And don't you think it is an inefficiency from the end of Kshitij?
Ma'am, I request you to be refrain from making such demeaning comments on the content writing team of Kshitij.
So, okay, one follow-up. So basically, if something is not going right, there could be reasons for that. And since you were one of the core organizing team members, so you should know what are the reasons for that. You should be able to accept it.
Ma'am, the content writing team of Kshitij worked hard day and night for the betterment of the Fest Kshitij 2022. The proposals that I will implement if elected as the General Secretary Technology Student Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur are as follows. Proposal 1. I propose the introduction of an Open IIT mentorship program to guide students about the various events conducted in Open IIT technology. The objective is to increase participation in open IT events and help students realize their potential by providing them with the required guidance. Proposal 2. I propose the development of a postgraduate PhD project networking portal for students as an opportunity to explore the domains of research. The objective of the proposal: various projects that are being conducted currently are willing to accept project contributors for some part of the project, which may or may not be digressing from the main research involved. Proposal 3. I propose to conduct a Summer of Technology event for guidance and foundations for various technical domains. The objective: development of a strong foundation regarding the various profiles is essential for students to choose the most appropriate career option for their future. This program would involve a detailed course of action in various verticals for the students, which would help them to enhance their professional aspirations.
For opening it for the panelists.
Hey, Nilmani.
So on the proposals, we won't have follow-ups, only the questions.
Hey Nilmani, my question is on proposal 1. Have you approached any seniors who are willing to become mentor in your program?
Of course, sir, I have done my groundwork for this proposal. I have contacted various final and pre-final year students who were willing to contribute to this mentorship program.
Nilmani, if you are saying you have done your groundwork, then this issue was already discussed in the technology subcommittee in this year, and it was rejected by all halls of residence unanimously. So how have you come up with a proposal when it's already been rejected? It already clashes with the plans of all halls of residence, where the seniors prepare students for open IIT so that they can go into general championship.
So, my proposal is based differently from the proposal that was proposed in the subcommittee meeting. Here, the willingness of the mentors are important, and the mentors will come forward to ensure that every student who participates in Open IIT deserves the proper guidance for the events.
Hi Nilmani. So I want to ask that from proposal 2, a similar portal was made earlier. So can you explain why it was not implemented?
So, I agree with you that a similar portal was made by Technology Transfer Group, but it was not released because of some problems faced by it. The problem was the back end was ready, but the front end was not allowed to be hosted. In my proposal, I have changed the front end to be the official website of Technology Student Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur.
Nilmani, in your proposal 3, Summer of Technology, database of such fields was already shared when the pandemic hit in 2020. You're mentioning this as a proposal shows that you are not aware of the actions taken by your predecessor.
Ma'am, I am absolutely aware of all the details. The list that was shared did contain the verticals, but not all the verticals. in my proposal, all the verticals will be included and the database will be created and provided to the students.
Can you tell me what is a new field you have included that was not in the earlier database?
Ma'am, apart from the database which will contain the courses, there would also be assignments which will be self-evaluated for the students who participate in the Summer of Technology.
Hi, Neelmani. Your proposals have a severe lack of specifics. You said that you have done your groundwork, you have talked to your seniors, but you have not mentioned a single specific senior or group which you have talked to regarding your proposal one, that they would be willing to do this during their pre-placement or placement seasons.
Sir, I have written the write-up of the proposal with the best of my abilities, and I am standing here to answer your questions for every doubt in the proposal. And to your question, sir, I have contacted various final and pre-final year students, and they came up with their willingness to be the part of this mentorship program.
Neelmani, I have another question around your second proposal.
Neelmani, my question is that
on the PG and PhD projects thing you were talking about. And you mentioned a lot about, how you like to do your groundwork and all in your first proposal's question, right? I don't see a single piece of groundwork in this second proposal of yours. Who will build this portal? Who will allocate the budget? How will this happen? Who will do the hosting? Tell me everything about this proposal and what groundwork you have done.
Sir, as I have already stated, I am here to give all the details of the proposal. Sir, this portal will be hosted in the official website of Technology Student Gymkhana. Sir, please let me complete my answer. Sir, I have talked to the research scholar representative of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, and he showed his willingness that this proposal can be implemented.
Why is this willingness always anonymous? I mean, why don't you have any names? Why don't you have any society or club collaborating with you on this? What are you doing?
Devki. Sir, I have already mentioned that I contacted the research scholar representative to the institute, Mr. Amit Kumar Singh from the Department of Mathematics.
Nilmani, can you share the
Nilmani,
timeline?
I seriously doubt you have did your complete groundwork, and I doubt your proposal too is implementable. Do you even know the full form of PhD?
Sir, please refrain yourself from making such allegations.
Full form of PhD.
Sir, please let me complete my answer. The full form of PhD is Doctor of Philosophy.
Nilmani, can you share the timeline of OpenIT mentorship program? Nilmani, can you share the timeline of OpenIT mentorship program?
Sir, as the OpenIT events are conducted in the autumn semester, this mentorship program would be in the autumn semester, in the month of October.
Neelmani, you must be aware that there is another mentorship program running in the institute by Student Welfare Group. Why are you proposing a parallel mentorship program? Do you lack confidence in the existing mentorship program?
Sir, please refrain yourself from making such allegations for the Students Welfare Group, because all the members of the Student Wellness Group work hard day and night for the welfare of the entire student fraternity of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. Sir, and to the answer to your question, all the mentorship program provided by the Student Welfare Group is based on the department-wise, and my mentorship program has the domain of the OpenIT technology events.
Hello, Neelmani. I have a question on the first proposal itself, and it's based on what Divyam asked. You said that there's a difference between the SWG mentorship program and this one because those are conducted on department lines. I have been a SWG mentor for the past 2 years, and none of my mentees ever required any additional mentorship program for the Open IITs Because whatever information they needed, they could have asked me directly themselves. So why do you think there needs to be a separate mentor for all these technology events? Are the SWG mentors not competent enough according to you?
Sir, I have no doubt on the mentorship program conducted by the Student Welfare Group. My proposal is based on the mentorship program on OpenIIT. I have contacted various final and pre-final year students, and they said their willingness to be the part of this mentorship program.
Thank you, Nilmani, for putting forward your proposals to the audience.
One more question.
Like you can take your seat since the 10 minutes time.
Thank you.